Okay?
And all three of them are just is valid.
Yeah. Yeah. Kahim,
What's kahime?
kahime means I have to.
I have to.
Yeah.
Have to mean-
Yeah, literally it's something like I will throw, but it doesn't mean, yeah, it doesn't really help you. Okay? So kahime, you just want to know, kahime, I have to. Ta ordam, I have to. Ta agam le, with a le in there somewhere is I have to. Okay? Alright. So, and we're going to see these popping up over and over again. Now, a couple words for all is either erfad or galer. Okay? And we have erfad in this one. And the other word is gach. And gach means every. So everything is gach rod, which is everything. And everybody, gach dina, every person. Okay? Gach dina. So those are very useful expressions to know, gach. Okay? So back to our main sentence. So, vi nefermacha erfad lelina. So the forms were all to be filled in. Okay? Since we don't say who has to fill them in, then it's kind of like that expression, ta kapra lehiha agam, without the agam. Okay? Ta kapra lehiha agam is I have to eat a sandwich. The agam tells you that I have to do it. Here you're not saying who has to do it, so you're saying the forms have to be filled in. I could say ta kapra lehiha, there's a sandwich to be eaten. Okay? And we don't say then who's eating it. You know, if you're saying it to your kid, it's pretty obvious that the kid is going to be eating a sandwich soon, right? You know, ta kapra lehiha Aaron Moore, there's a sandwich to be eaten on the table, and it's pretty obvious then. Okay, in this case, okay, so vina firmacha erfad, so all of the forms were to be filled, then lina. Okay, lian is to fill in something. Okay, agus vi or he, and she had to gachrod everything, achur in order, to put in order. Literally same in English and Irish. Okay. Huh?
So when would you use Ghailearai for all instead of?
You can. They're pretty interchangeable. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. When you're talking about, I think you tend to use Ghailearai more with people, maybe. Yeah. But they kind of get mixed up a bit. So
Ghailearai would be more to people.
yeah, you say vina pashti Ghailearai sagarjin. All the kids were in Pamwich Ghailearai and Shonish. We're all here.
That little poem that they,
Right.
the candles.
Right, in that case, though, they had it with things. So they had the poem with the bear and the tiger and Jishya and Kishta agus na Kinla Ghailearai and the candles all. Okay, so that's. I think when you're talking about people, you probably tend to use Ghailearai more, but you use them both for things. Okay, so let's go through this one. So vina firmacha erfad lelina.
Vina firmacha erfad lelina.
Agus vi orhi. Gachrod achur in ord. Okay, so were the forms all to be filled, and was on her everything to put in order. Okay, and number 8, Jaibrishi Gokrua Amlashin. So she was Jaibrishi, she worked. Okay, that's a kind of strange word. It's more common. You would probably say Vishig over. She was working. Would probably, but Jaibrishi, she worked. Gokrua is hard. Krua by itself means hard, and go means it's like an ly in English, but it's not. Doesn't mean hardly. Okay, it's the opposite of hardly. She was working hard. Okay, and la shin that day.
It's almost like it makes it very hard.
Yeah. Yeah, go is usually like ly in English where it makes an adjective, okay? But hard is a funny one in English because it does funny. English is funny there. So, okay? So, Daibrishi go krua and lashin. Okay. And number 9, okay, some of this should look a little familiar. Nire viseki godarloch dunwaru jawar and tashpan tisho. So, we'll explain the expression. First of all, the word tarla only shows up in certain forms. Most common one you're going to hear is kada harla, what happened. Good expression to know. Kada harla. So what is it that happened? Kada harla. Okay? And you don't really see, other than a couple forms, tarla or tarloch. Okay? Kada harla, what happened? If you see someone's crying or whatever, kada harla. Okay? the expression jawar means because of. Jawar. Okay? And it takes the genitive after it. So you see some guy lying on the floor, kataharla, jawar and biorach. Jawar and the biorach because of the beer. Okay? Jawar and tequila, whatever. Okay? Natasha, lig machern, shinsha machern, or so he's laid out on the floor. Okay, jawar. Okay? Or okay, jawar, and it's going to take the genitive form. Now, a couple forms that you're going to see, particularly dawar is because of it. Dawar. So it comes from bar just means top, so I don't know why. Okay. But awar, actually it also means like the fruits of something, so that's probably where it comes from. But awar becomes dawar. Okay, so that's what it means. It's from its result is kind of what it means, really. Jawar basically means as a result of. Okay.
Is that different than just using mar?
Yeah, bar by itself, yes.
Can I just mar because?
Oh, mar? Yeah, you can use mar.
So they're interchangeable?
Actually, you'd have to reword the sentences a little bit to use more. Okay? And the expression because of, yeah, they're slightly. Okay? Yeah, because the other one is dawar shin is because of that. So these are two that you'll see a lot, dawar shin. And then Anteshbantis we had is, earlier was the exhibition. Anteshbantish is of the exhibition. Okay? So the expression, so the main sentence, go back to the main sentence. Nira viseki, she didn't know. Okay, we did a little bit of that earlier. Godarloch, that would happen. Godarloch. So that's one of those conditional ones that we talked about earlier. Okay. Godarloch. Dunwaru is a murder. Dunwaru. Yeah, the word maru would be killing and dunwaru is a murder. Okay. Jawar is maybe as a result of Anteshbantish show, this exhibition. Okay. So Nira Viseki, Godarloch Dunwaru, Jawar Anteshbantish show. Okay, so like I said, it seems like all Irish learners' books involve murders. Okay. Nirev Iseki Gomeach Shihain Igonturch. So she didn't know that she herself would be in danger. So Nirev Iseki, we've seen already, she didn't know. Gomeach, that there would be. Gomeach Shihain, that she herself would be. Igonturch is in danger. Gonturch is danger and you are in danger. Igonturch. Okay? So Nirev Iseki. Gomeach Shihain Igonturch. Okay? And number 11. Nira Viseki Kerdavi Ananji. So she didn't know what was in store for her. So Karata Anandom is what's in store for me. Okay? Kind of what's my fate. And I don't know what's in store for me. Nilisagam Karata Anandom. Okay? Okay, so the main sentence. Nira Viseki Kerdavi Ananji. Okay, and carrot and kata are the same in Irish. Both mean what. Okay? And number 12. Vitris naboski. So there was straw in the boxes. And tri is used to mean straw. It's thatch. So the one of the houses you see, one of those you see on the poster back there, would be a chakyan tri, which is a house with a head of straw. Okay? Yeah. Or a thatched roof would basically be what it is. Tui. Yeah. Yeah. Not twee, but tui. Yeah. Yeah.
Head with straw. What's snaw?
Huh?
Snaw?
Sna is inda. Inda when you're talking.
Isna.
Yeah. Okay? And the last one. Lan shi orhi ig toga na bicturamach ig bran orhu agus ig kainch agus ig gaira la dahi and sturhor nur a churachse a chianisteach. So, lan she or he, she continued on. Okay?
She or he.
Ig togal taking the picture amach, the pictures out. Ig togal the picture, taking the pictures amach out. Okay? Ig branu orhu, looking at them. Okay, so branu is to look, orhu is you look on something in Irish. Agus ig kainch and talking. Agus ig gaira and laughing. Ledahi with David.